Have you planned to learn Flutter? If yes, then you have taken a very good decision. There are a lot of requirement going on across the industry on Flutter for mobile app development. Let's see what are the tools, technologies, and software required for doing mobile app development. To do the mobile app development using Flutter, a comprehensive set of tools are required. We'll see what are those tools, technologies, and software that can greatly enhance productivity and ensure the development of high quality applications. So, what are the ID or editors first you should choose, right? So, here are the three options: Visual Studio Code, Android Studio, and IntelliJ IDEA. All are good, but it depends on certain features which are specific to these tools, and few are licensed, and you can get the good features only when you pay a good license fees. So it is up to you whichever you prefer to do, but when you are starting you can use any one of these as a free version and do it. But normally when you work inside an organization, they will have some licenses as per their preference, and they may give you. So Visual Studio Code, if you are using, it is a very lightweight and powerful editor with great Flutter and Dart plugins. And if you are going with Android Studio, that comes with an integrated Android emulator, powerful code editing, and debugging tools tailored for Flutter development. For IntelliJ, it offers robust support for Flutter and Dart with many features similar to Android Studio. Version control, of course, you must know Git, which is being popularly used across most of the companies. Okay, it is essential for managing source code versions, collaborating with other developers, and maintaining a clean development story. And what are the tools you can use? You can use GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. So online repositories for hosting Git projects, facilitating collaboration, code review, and CI/CD integration. These all can be done using these tools. So let us know what are the tools you should use for CI/CD, right? So CodeMagic is one good option. It is a CI/CD tool tailored for Flutter apps and automates building, testing, and releasing mobile apps. You can use GitHub Actions also, which provides automated workflows directly from GitHub, which can be configured for Flutter projects. You can use Bitrise, which offers CI/CD services with a focus on mobile apps, including Flutter. Then for package management, you can use pub.dev. It is the official Dart package repository where you can find libraries and tools for Flutter development. For designing and prototyping for your mobile app, uh, you can use Figma, which is very, very popular nowadays. Other than that, you have Adobe XD and Sketch. So Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that allows seamless collaboration between designers and developers. You can go for Adobe XD also. It is a vector based tool for designing and prototyping user experiences for web and mobile apps. You can use Sketch also. Primarily, it is used for UI UX design through less commonly for mobile app design than Figma or Adobe XD. Then how do you test your Flutter application? You can use Flutter test, the built-in testing framework for unit, widget, and integration testing in Flutter. Mockito, you can use a popular Dart package for mocking dependencies during unit test. You can use Appium also. It is an open source test automation framework for mobile apps supporting Flutter. Then for state management, you can, these are the things you should know. Uh, Flutter, Riverpod, Riverpod, Block, and Block Qubit. And provider is recommended state management solution for Flutter team. Riverpod is a more flexible and modern approach to state management in Flutter. Block or Qubit is a popular state management libraries that help in managing state based on uh, block, that is a business logic component pattern. Then for APIs and networking, you can go for DIO, a powerful HTTP client for Dart, which supports interceptors, global configuration, and more. You can go for HTTP also, a simple package for making HTTP requests. Then what are the database you can go for? You can go for SQF Lite and Hive or Firebase. SQF Lite is a plugin to access SQLite databases in Flutter. Then Hive is a lightweight and fast key value database written in pure Dart. You can go for Firebase. Okay, it is a BAS, that is a backend as a service, and offers Firestore, a NoSQL database, authentication, analytics, and more. We can do on this. Then analytics and monitoring, for Firebase analytics you can go for, which provides insights into user behavior and app usage. You can go for Sentry, which is error tracking tool to monitor and fix crashes in real time. For localization, you can go for Flutter INTL, a plugin for managing internationalization in Flutter, or you can go for I18N extension, which helps in internationalizing your Flutter application. Other essential tools which you should know: Flutter Inspector, part of the Flutter Dev Tools suite, useful for debugging UI layout issues. And then you can go for Dart Dev Tools. It is a suite for performance and debugging tools for Dart and Flutter applications. And then you can go for Pinachi also. It is a tool to create and customize Flutter themes visually. For app distribution, you can use Firebase app distribution, which allows distributing your app to trusted testers. Then you can go for TestFlight. It is Apple's platform for beta testing iOS applications. You can use Google Play console as well to manage the distribution of Android apps. So